Hello dear friends, welcome back to Soumen Nath's YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to thank all of you, those who subscribed my channel in the year 2020. And I know it's a rough time and lots of uncertainties and lots of odd events were there. But still, you people are there with me always as my well wisher. So, for this, I would like to say thanks to you. Thank will be a small word, but there is something special waiting for you in the year 2021. Now, let's have a look on what the thing which is waiting for you. See, Soumen Nath YouTube channel. This is a surprise for the subscribers of 2020 and 21. So those who are already subscribed to my channel as well as new subscribers, they are also open to it. Now, I am going to announce that the new year gift you are going to get is a Philips Bluetooth AirPods. Yes, you are listening it right. I'm going to offer this Philips Bluetooth AirPods for 5 lucky subscribers. Now you will ask how you are going to get this Bluetooth Philips AirPods from my channel. So let me tell you this. There are two options. The first one, that is, I have also launched my digital blogspot, that is www.digitalshowmennathblogspot.com. So either you can enroll into it or you can search it in the Google and you will find out different methods. Learn free but earn money, because you know my motto is earn money without investing any money. So futuristic digital earnings, and this is my blog, and where you will get new inputs as well as new stories. So many things where there interesting things are coming. So you need to subscribe, you need to comment, and you need to visit on a regular basis. On the basis of that, 10th January onwards, there will be a series of questions. 5 questions will be asked from this blog post, and those who are subscribers of Soumen Nath YouTube channel, in short known as SN YouTube channel, they're also going to ask 10 MCQ type questions through Google form, which will be available from 10th of January onwards, and you can participate in both, as well as if you want to participate only this, and you can participate into this one, that is the digitalshowmennath.blogspot.com. So you can either join or either opt for both, or you can choose any one. So after choosing those who will give the right answer for the questions, they are entitled to get the free Philips AirPods, which will cost around 2100 rupees, यानी कि 2100 रुपये इसका प्राइस है. मार्केट प्राइस इससे बहुत ज़्यादा है, लेकिन ये अमेज़न में 2100 रुपये में बिक रहा है, तो आपको ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट मिल सकता है. सो प्लीज़ डोंट वेस्ट योर टाइम. Please do subscribe Soumen Nath YouTube channel. Stay tuned, and I do really care for my subscribers. With this, I come to an end. Thank you for watching Soumen Nath YouTube channel, and once again wish you a very happy, prosperous, bright, beautiful, and eventful year 2021 for you. Thank you.